the shiver, her eye the glitter. Anyway, she there, you go see wahala for there. Oh, mama sweet 16, so she go the yum yum yum. Oh, mama sweet 16, so she go the yum yum yum. Mama ni because you want it, so you go the yum yum yum. Jay, a quick woman to me this year. Everything a double wahala. So we're 16 today fast.
Thank you so much for everything you have done for us towards the success of this burial. May God bless you.
It's okay, Mama. Thank you very much.
As you go back, may God guide you back safely.
Amen.
Amen.
Mama, it's okay. Stop crying. What happened has happened. Oh? Stop crying.
I've already told her that. Not to worry again.
My husband was a good man.
Mama,
he
it's
didn't
okay.
deserve to die like this.
It's okay. God knows best, okay? It's okay. Take it easy.
Mama, put yourself together. I have to walk them.
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh, at least, Mama, let's escort them.
No, it's alright. You can take it.
Baby, don't worry. I'll walk you.
Sure?
Alright, save my in-laws.
Yeah, alright. Thank you.
Mama,
Mama, take care. Huh?
Mama.
Ah!
In-law, save.
Alright, thank you.
Mama, it's okay now. Stop crying. Stop crying.
I think Mama's actions shows she really loved her husband.
that's a lie, darling. My mother overdoes things sometimes. I'm telling you the truth.
Yes, my sister is right. My mama does that a lot.
She was only expressing herself, right? Yeah.
You see, you people should take it easy with my in-law. She's the only one I have right now.
Exactly.
I love her. She's my mother too.
So, darling, let's walk you guys to the junction where you get a bike.
We're waiting for the taxi here.
You can get a taxi here. Look
you
at
can't.
the place is dry.
He has booked for one already.
Baby, come, let me walk you to the junction. You won't get a taxi. Look at the place. It looks dry.
Let me help you.
Yes! Sis! Health is in the city.
What they say was
But why are you not going to tell him to
I agree.
Don't worry, I will tell him to ride careful.
If you say no to
But I'll
that
miss you,
government, you're in trouble. If you say no to a woman's government, you're in trouble.
Of course not.
You know what? Say women are stronger than men.
Yes, of course we are.
They're not physically.
Who run the world? Girls who run the world. Uncle darling, do you? I really want to thank you for your kindness during Papa's funeral. We appreciate all the support you gave to us. You've really shown you are a good man. May God bless you. My sisters and I and my mother are never going to take this for granted. Thank you.
Yeah. Ma, you sounded as if I am an outsider. It's only natural that I should give your father the befitting burial that he deserves. And don't forget that he was my elder brother and he single-handedly sponsored my education. Your mother can attest to that. Udoka, am I lying?
Ebuka, it's not a lie. My husband saw you through school. But that notwithstanding, I'm just particularly thankful for everything you did towards the burial. And you're not like the other men who start feeling a sense of entitlement as soon as the disease is buried. You're just different.
You should know me by now. I believe that everyone has the right to do whatever they wish to do at any given moment. Even our culture depicts that by saying that when a man dies and buried, his immediate brother should own everything that he had. But I don't subscribe to that at all. It's not part of me. And I don't want to be part of that.
So you lay claim to my children and I?
I wish I can. I have consent to my duty now is to be the father. They're no longer having. So that's my primary concern.
Stop referring to my children as though they are kids. Look at them. They are full-grown women. They are even married. So they're not children.
Well, that is quite understood, but I hope I made myself clear.
Uncle, don't worry. Everything will be fine.
Sure, I know everything will be okay. What about your husbands? They left after the burial?
Yes, Uncle. Ola's husband and mine traveled, whilst Geraldine's husband had to go back to work.
Oh, I must say we are proud of them. They did their best. Everybody's talking about them. So I'm happy, at least. Everything is fine. It's wonderful.
For crying out loud, what is wrong with you? How dare you? What nonsense! Are you okay? Are you alright? Ola, how dare you speak about Mama with such contempt?
Sis, but she's saying the truth.
What truth is she saying, Geraldine? What truth? It's her mother we're talking about here.
All I am saying is that Mama is no longer a young lady. I mean, even if she's doing all those things, let her do it with people of her class. We all know how her behavior contributed to Papa's death. Yes!
Ola, shut up! Shut up your mouth! Shut up your mouth! Are you listening to yourself? As a matter of fact, we are in public. The neighbors could probably be listening. Regardless of what Mama has done, regardless of her excesses, she's still our mother. Why would you talk about her like that? So what are you insinuating?
What I'm saying now is it strange to you? I mean, why are you trying to cover her up? Why are you covering Mama?
I don't understand. Even though Mama looks younger than her age, but she has to respect herself. Talk to her. I know she listens to you. Biko, tell her that we, her children, we are really ashamed of her.
And who says I've not been talking to Mama? Sometimes I am left with no option than to think Mama is probably under a spell or something. Because I sincerely cannot tell what is wrong with her.
Mama is not under any spell. Trust me, she's doing that thing with her full chest. You don't know Mama?
Mama should respect herself, if not for anything, for the sake of her children and her dead husband.
You know what? Please, I know she listens to you. Tell her that we, her children, we are ashamed of her. If you're not ashamed of your mother, I am ashamed of her. No problem.
Girls, let's not forget, if anything happens to Mama, all of us will still feel it. She's the only parent we have. She's all we have right now.
I have my husband though.
Me too. I have my husband.
Really?
Yes.
Yes.
Trust me, Ma. If this Mama's attitude continues, I will not step my feet into this village again. And I'm sticking to it.
Me too. I'm not going to come.
I forbid you to. I forbid you to. What has come over you? We're talking about our mother, for crying out loud.
Don't talk to her.
Well, I think this meeting is over. Of course.
Yeah, Adane. Yes, it's not like we are trying to work out on you. But please. Of course. Just talk to Mama. Just talk some sense into her. She listens to you. Talk to her. As the first daughter.
You are not walking away, but talk to your mother.
God, I don't even blame my sisters. My mother is the cause of all this. Why can't she just respect herself for the sake of her late father? What kind of embarrassment is this?
Sister Udoka, you just buried your husband. I don't think this is right anymore. Pastor Andrew, I do. What's funny? I mean, why are you laughing? Come on.
It is no longer right. Our beautiful time together is no longer right. Our jiggy, our fun time.
Stop. It is not right, and you know it. Stop asking silly questions, please.
Pastor Andrew, a quick one. When is adultery a good thing to do? When is it a good one? Come on. My husband is dead and buried. Ours is no longer adultery. Ours is fun all the way. In fact, it's called love. You know how you feel every time I touch you?
Sister Udoka, you have 3 grown-up children, 3 grown-up girls. So imagine if they find out what we're doing. Besides, I'm still your husband. This is not right before God. You know it. Stop leading me.
Is it my fault? Don't look at me. Everything all for you. Is it my fault?
So, this is all you have to say.
Is it my fault that I'm young and irresistibly beautiful? That you melt like a jellyfish under my torch? That you beg to have more? That you beg to always be with me? Is it my fault?
Your fault how?
I don't know what you expect to hear from me. But just calm down, let's enjoy this. You don't have anyone to come banging on your door to ask where his wife is. You just have me all to yourself. Come on. Listen, let us enjoy this moment. My husband is dead, so ours will no longer be adultery. Ours will be fun all the way. Come with me. Come. Come on. I'll see you again. Love you. Oh, I enjoyed it. Oh, come again. Bye.
Lord, have mercy.
Mama, where have you been?
What nonsense question is that?
You went out since morning without telling anyone your whereabouts.
What rubbish are you talking about? Must you always know my whereabouts? What is wrong with you?
Really? Mama, I am tired of you. I and my sisters are tired of this kind of life you are living. It's becoming very irritating.
Oh. I should start crying, right? As a child, I am. I should start crying. Please get away. Let me enter the room.
I'm not stopping you from entering the house. I am not, Mama. It's high time I packed my things and leave this house. I am tired of your troubles, Mama.
What did you just say?
I said I am tired of your troubles.
I'm tired of my troubles.
Yes.
Ma, you are my daughter. That you are married does not give you the impetus, the right or whatsoever to talk to me in the way you're doing right now. This should be the last time you try it. I'll show you the kind of person I am. This is sweet 16 you're talking about. I should live my life. So pity. Shower lane. Ice cream. In case in a shop right. Fresh and beautiful.
Mama sweet 16, now so she go the yum. Oh, Mama sweet 16,
what has she turned into?
Now so she go the yum. Mama nye because you want it. Now so you go the yum. Jay, a question woman no I'm in this year. Everything I double wala.
I blame myself for all this. Yes, I do. I cannot even explain how all this started. How? What have I gotten myself into? What? Lord, have mercy. Lord, have mercy. Honestly, I do not know how all this started. But it has to stop. I am a man of God who is not expected to be involved in an act like this. Satan, get behind me. It is written in the Bible that I shall build my church on the solid rock, and the gate of hell shall not prevail against it. I forsake everything that is not of God. Lord, I cannot do this alone. Give me the strength to live above sins and temptation. Lord, have mercy.
It's barely 3 weeks since after your father was buried, and she's back with this. It's not acceptable at all.
Uncle, I sincerely cannot tell why my mother is doing this.
What did you just call her?
Mama, now my mother.
Sweet 16. That's what the entire village calls her.
I heard she even said that to me herself. Now I know why Ola accused her of being responsible for our father's death.
Well, your sister wouldn't be completely wrong if she said that to her. I mean, the whole village has condemned her reckless lifestyle.
And my sisters are threatening never to step their feet in this village if she continues this way.
No, they won't do that. I mean, this is your mother we're talking about, no matter what. She's still your mother.
Same thing I told them, but I equally understand their feelings. Mama.
Well, I think, I understand their pains though, but one of you need to take her out of this village. It will remedy this whole thing.
Uncle, but what are we going to do about it? How can we remedy this situation?
Well, I don't know, but I think one of you need to take her out of this village.
Uncle, how are you sure she's not going to continue wherever she goes?
Oh no, it won't happen. Even if it is going to happen, it will be for some time. Of course, I know. But by the way, where was she when I came to your house?
I can't tell you. Do you know Mama left this house for hours without saying a word to anyone? When she came back, I asked her. She told me, I'm sweet sister. I will live my life the way I want it. I am tired. It's becoming frustrating and embarrassing, Uncle. Kem Wogebi. Eh?
Oh, Doka.
6. You and I know that is impossible. That is suicide mission.
But this is the only thing we can do to remedy the situation.
I don't think so. But all I want is to save my marriage first. Every other thing can come in.
Ola, what are you insinuating?
Isn't it obvious that our husbands, they are not safe with the likes of Mama around them?
Come on. Geraldine and Ola, come on. I mean, we're talking about our mother. Shouldn't say such about her now. It hasn't gotten to that.
So what are you insinuating? That we should take her in? Is that what?
Yes.
With everything we've seen ahead.
Yes.
Okay,
Ola.
If you say so.
Ola, how about you?
It's not okay by me.
Yes.
We are not living in the same house together, okay? One person needs to experiment it first.
Obviously, it can't be me.
No.
You are the Olu, she's the Ada, so...
Ada will start first.
Ada, please, go with our Mama.
Mama, because you want it, now so you go there, pyom. Jay, a question woman, no, I mean this year. Everything a double wala.
I'd like us to have a word.
You can see I'm very busy. Please, let it be some other time.
Sorry to interrupt your privacy. I just want you to know that I and my sisters will be going back to the city next week.
Hey, that's good news. It's okay. At least people have tried. I will come and visit you one after the other, at least to appreciate your coming to be with me.
No, Mama. You are coming with us.
What is that supposed to mean?
Mama, life here in the village is hard. At least it's far better in the city. Yes.
Am I complaining? Have I ever complained to you that life here in the village is hard for me? Okay, now if I follow you to the city, what happens to the things I do around here in the village? Who takes care of them?
Things you do like what, Mama?
I run a lot of things around here.
A lot of things like what?
You girls should go back to your husband's houses. I will come and visit you at my own time.
Mama, if you don't go back to the city with us, we'll never step our feet in this compound again.
So be it. Fine. Let it be like that. Who is complaining? After all, I've raised you girls honorably to find yourselves suitable husbands. And that is the joy of every mother. Good luck to all of you.
And you want to rub shame on the faces of the same daughters you raised honorably to find their husbands, right? Is that honorable?
I don't know what you're talking about. And excuse me, I would like to be left alone. Want to read my chart? You can share.
Watch your husband there.
Mama, just give it a deep thought, please.
Girlfriend, oh, boyfriend, so sister, you back for oh yeah, gong. Mwanyi na ganilo. Hey, oh yeah, gong.
Pedro. Yeah. I am tired of waiting. As a matter of fact, I'm beginning to ask myself, why did this man keep us waiting? I don't understand. If you know that it's not coming, you should just tell us, let's go back.
Well, I think I suspect a foul play.
How do you know?
His numbers are switched off. And I don't know. Let's just keep waiting for him and see what happens, alright?
Alright. Let's keep waiting. But I think something is wrong.
Yeah, because his phones are switched off. I've tried him a few times and it's not connecting. Let's just keep waiting for him.
Pastor, my sisters and I decided that I should come and see you regarding my mother's character. Since she's a member of your church and you, her pastor, I think she will listen to you better than us. That is why I came here.
Thank you very much, Sister Geraldine. You see, I am very, very elated and I truly appreciate your love and care towards your mother.
Thank you.
You see, we are all humans and as such, subject to temptation. No wonder the Bible says, for all have sinned and come short of the glory of God. No one is perfect. You see, rather than persecute your mother for perhaps what you think she's doing, I would advise you show her more love, compassion, and care.
I'm so sorry, Pastor, but that is not the kind of treatment my mother needs.
Oh, what kind of treatment do you think she needs?
Rather than painting black and calling it white, why don't we call a spade a spade?
Sister Geraldine, it is not always that way. It's even the Bible made us to understand that we should love our enemies and pray for those who persecute us, let alone your mom. I mean, if the Bible could encourage us to pray for our enemies and even love those who persecute us, I mean, your mom here, we're talking about your mom here.
I'm so sorry to cut you short, Pastor, but please, the reason why I'm here is for you to talk to her. Let her turn a new leaf. She's doing too much.
Yeah, she certainly will. Trust me, I will.
Thank you so much. Another thing is that I and my sisters, we've decided that we will take our mother along with us to the city.
Oh, you mean you want to take her along with you?
Yes. Is there anything wrong with it?
No, nothing. It is well. Let me pray for you.
Alright, thank you.
Father, Lord, in the name of Jesus Christ, Lord, I thank you for the life of your daughter.
I did not do anything. My husband came back last night and told me I must leave his house. And this morning, before I knew it, he packed my things and threw them out of the house.
Just like that. You did not do anything wrong.
I don't get this, Adeze. You mean your husband sent you packing without committing any serious offense?
I did not do anything. I did not do anything.
This is serious.
Papa Adeze, this is no time for jam examination. This is no time for unnecessary questions. It is action time. Take your daughter to that fool and warn him not to repeat this next time.
Adeze, it's okay. I will look into this. In fact, let me call him right away.
Papa Adeze, you will not listen to me. I said that this is not a phone call issue. Take your daughter back to him.
Do you stop this woman? I've told you that I'm going to call him on phone first. Stop pushing me around.
I am now pushing you around, right? Mbamba. Muabu neck and push around. Or if you take our daughter back to the husband. It's not pushing around. Do what you want.
Papa, what Mama said is correct. People would start laughing at me when they found out my husband chased me out of the house. Papa.
Well, I must say that I really appreciate all of you. Thank you very much. I mean, the burial, the peace, and everything. We're proud of you.
Thank you, Uncle. As a matter of fact, we love our parents, dead or alive. So we'll do everything humanly possible within our powers to make them happy.
Oh, Udoka. Chai, you have good children. Well brought up.
I know, they all took after me. Can't you see? We did. You all did. Look at you. Look at her hip. Look at this one. This one is carrying double portion of the hips. This one, even her slim and smallish body, yet her shape is gang and her light skin. You have brain, I have brain. So my children are just like me.
Oh, well, Udoka, don't go that far. It's okay. Well, so what means are you people going with?
Okay, I've already called a driver that will pick us up. We're supposed to take a bus to the city, but we have a lot. We have some food stuff, we have oil, so many things. So a driver will pick us up.
Oh, it's okay. Oh, thanks to your mother.
No, we actually bought them from the market.
Oh, that's really I see. Well, the credit goes to your mother the same.
Simple.
Yes, I pray that God will guide you safely back to your destination. Oya balloon na balika.
Thank you, Uncle. Uncle, thank you so much. We appreciate everything.
You see, it's God.
Ma, this is your husband's new house, eh?
Mama, will make so much sense. Is that what you're supposed to say? As a matter of fact, my husband's house is my house. We are one. So you're supposed to say, Ma, your house is beautiful. Your house is magnificent. Better.
It is the same thing. If I say your husband's house or your house, it means for both of you. So your house is beautiful.
The house is so fine.
Thank you, Kid.
Very fine, fine. I have to go, Mama. I have to go upstairs. So soon?
We just got here.
Yes, I know, but I'm tired. I need to go home and rest.
You can rest here then. House is a house. Mama's house. Ola's house. House is a house.
Mama. Kindly allow her to go. Her husband and mine are coming back tonight.
Oh, wow. Your husband is coming back tonight?
Mama, why the excitement?
Because her sons-in-law are coming back.
Mama, I wonder. I'll tell her.
Okay. So,
and I need to go so that my husband will not meet my absence on his arrival. You have her. You know one go. I'm going home. Are you not missing your husband? I miss him. My dad was here.
Yes, I'm the only one who's not missing my husband here.
So now you have succeeded in pulling everybody away. Are you happy now?
How, Mama? How did I pull everyone away?
And we're all here.
No, but we're all married. And a lot have changed. Mama, don't expect us to be clingy like that.
Really?
Yes.
Before you became wives, you were daughters. Not true?
Yes. Now we are wives. A lot has changed. Things are no longer the same. Okay? Don't worry, Mama. I'll be coming to see you, okay?
Thank you, my daughter. You don't want to hug me?
Not really, because you're always rude to me.
You were once my favorite before you married that man. So what changed?
Because of, well, it's irrelevant though.
Absolutely irrelevant. So let me walk them to the gate.
It's okay.
Give Mama, don't be a naughty kid. Let's go. Let me walk you guys.
I love you, Mama. Fake love. It's not fake. Bye bye. Bye.
Mama sweet 16. So she go de Mama ni because
bye.
So you go de
Hey.
Jay, now which kind woman no I mean this everything
Trust me. If I had allowed you to say what you wanted to say, a lot would have spoken. Don't mind her. I don't know why she spent her mama-in-laws. But wait. Hola.
Is there something that you're not telling me?
I don't understand. What do you mean?
I don't know. But just let me in. I want to know.
What are you talking about?
I don't know. But whatever it is, I will surely find out.
Oh, really? So you're angry right now?
No, I'm not angry. I'm not angry at all. Both of you are in the habit of keeping things away from me.
Those things are irrelevant to you.
Oh, really?
Yes.
They are not relevant. Just like the ones I'm keeping to myself. They are not relevant to you too.
How? So, why are you talking like that?
Wait. You two mean to tell me you've not noticed that Mama and Pastor Andrew, they are having a secret affair?
What?
How?
You must be joking.
How? Me joking? I'm not joking. I'm telling you the truth right in the church. They are having affairs.
God forbid.
This can't be possible.
Well, this is how I found out. Mama?
Yes.
What are you doing inside the pastor's office?
I should ask you something like that. What are you doing here? If you're here to see the pastor, he cannot see you today. He is very busy.
Mama.
What?
When will you ever change? What's happening? What's going on?
What are you thinking, you pervert? What is on your mind?
Isn't it obvious?
Very stupid. Very, very stupid in your head. Idiot.
Mama, when will you ever repent from all these things you're doing? I want to know. Just look at the way you're sweating coming out of the pastor's office.
Is it this sweat? When you pray seriously, kabash, well, don't you sweat at home? What are you doing here? What? No, I mean, what are you doing here? Oh, let me know what I'm thinking.
I'm finished. How did I get myself into all of this? How? A man of God like me?
Pastor, don't tell me you're afraid.
I should. I heard everything.
No, calm down. I've taken care of her, okay? That's my daughter.
I know. But you sure she's not going to say this to another person?
She's not going to tell anyone. I can handle her, alright? Don't tell me you're afraid. Don't be afraid, I'm here for you, okay? I'm here for you and I love you. No, come on. Why are you behaving like a baby? I know I won't touch you. I know you're already afraid. You won't be able to do anything now. See you later, okay? Bye. I want you to go here again. And I go game and join also.
Lord, have mercy.
She is old, but so young. She know the grace that she be mama at all now. She know the shiva, her eye the glitter. Anyway, she there you go see wahala for there. Oi, mama sweet 16. So she go the pyom. Oi, mama sweet 16. So she go the pyom. Mama ni because you want ke. So you go the pyom. Jay, now which kind woman no I mean this year? Everything a double wahala. Women know ya watch your husband there. Sweet 16 and I got your one on board. Mama, girlfriend know ya, oh your boyfriend there. Sweet 16 they pass it for road. Oh ya gong. Mwanyi na ganilo. Hey, oh ya gong. Mwanyi na ganilo. Jay, so she go de pyom.
Don't you dare walk out on me. What is wrong with you?
Mama, nothing is wrong with me. You and I know that you are the one that something is wrong with. Mama, how could you? How?
Where are your sisters?
All and Dimma, they went out to see their friends. Is that why you came here? Mama, please. I would love to be left alone.
Geraldine, you are my last child. Do you think I would want to hide anything from you? Maybe you're getting it all wrong.
No, Mama. I am not getting it all wrong. Mama, own it up. You did it. Own it up. Please, I am done having this conversation with you. Biko.
So you want to go out there and disgrace your own mother?
You know I'm a reasonable person, right? I can't and I won't do that to you. Trust me. I'll just pretend as if nothing happened.
Can we at least talk about it?
Mama, no! I can't. I'm not interested in whatever you want to say. Biko, Apomaka.
Okay, let me at least explain to you.
Mba!
Mama, Geraldine.
Geraldine, get home, Mama. What is going on?
Can you imagine?
What is going on?
Mama wants us to stay extra 3 weeks in this village.
Really?
Mama, why?
I don't want to be alone in this village.
Yeah. Well, if you people decide to stay back, I cannot spend extra 1 day in this house. I'm going.
Mama, I know you're going to me, so don't worry. You can always come to the city and we can always come back to see you.
That's it.
Oh. So this is what all this is all about. Oh.
I'm not surprised though. Yes. I suspected that something fishy is going on between Mama and Geraldine. Yes.
Thank God she's no longer in the village. Yeah, these things are definitely going to stop. She's here with us in the city.
Ma, you talk as if we're in Lagos or Abuja or any of those big cities. I mean, village is just here. Just at the backyard. So Mama can go anytime she likes.
I still maintain my stand. Things are going to be different. Yes.
She says so.
I will give you a call, please.
Okay, baby sis, give me a call.
Thank you.
Alright.
I'll go home, okay?
You're welcome.
Wait for me, sis.
Mama sweet 16. That's all she go dey pyom. Mama ni because you want it. That's all you go dey pyom. Jay, a which kind woman no I mean this year. Everything a double wahala. Women know ya watch your husband there. Sweet 16 and I got your one up. Girlfriend or your boyfriend there. Sweet 16 they pass it for road. Yeah, oh yeah, gum.
I know their reason for bringing me here. They think they can cage me. But are you sure Geraldine did not tell them about how she caught me in the pastor's office? No. I'm sure she did not tell them. Pastor Andrew's distance will not be a barrier. I'm happy village is not far from here.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
How are you?
I'm fine. I missed you.
I've missed you too. How have you been?
Alright.
I'm glad to be back.
I'm glad to have you back home. But you're not acting like you missed me.
I just kissed you now.
No, that's not enough. You know what to do.
Okay, what am I supposed to do?
Of course you
Okay.
How was your trip?
What is that scream for? That is a sign that Pedro is back.
Baby, I'm so sorry I didn't tell you before allowing her to come. Hope you don't mind.
No, come on. Mama is always welcome here. I mean, this is her house. At least she can cook, you know?
So what are you trying to say, that I can't cook?
No, I didn't say that.
So what are you saying?
What I'm saying is, you know, there's this thing about older people cooking. You know, they remind me of this firewood jollof rice. The taste is amazing.
Are you trying to say my mother is old?
No, I never said anything like that. You even look older than your mother. Your mother is really young.
Yeah, I know. I give birth to her. Excuse me.
I didn't mean it that way.
Please
now. Come, I was just joking.
Leave me alone. Leave me.
I was just joking.
No
now.
cuddling for you
Stop.
tonight.
Listen, I didn't say your okay. Listen,
No, there
I
has to
did.
be
That was a slip
communication.
of tongue. You're the most prettiest woman I've ever seen.
leaving me alone.
Salt. You put too much salt in it. But you know I don't like salt.
Okay, eat your food. You already started eating.
Mama?
I have made this specially for you. Thank you. I wanted to surprise you with my special food.
Thank you, Mama. They're really cooked and we are enjoying my meal. So we'll probably eat this later.
Mama, it's okay. I'll eat your food, alright?
Your wife said you will eat it later. I'll agree with her.
But I insist. Come on, I'll eat the food. I insist.
No, we're already eating, darling. Mama, you can take it back or probably eat it.
It's okay.
I agree with you.
Listen, Mama, there's this aroma that comes with your food. I miss it. I enjoy eating your food. Please, let's have it. Can you pass that?
Let me get water for you. Oh?
Yeah. Mama's food is always top.
I made it for you.
Thank you very much.
You will love it.
Thank you.
What are we going to do to this one?
We can. There's salt. There's more salt in it. No, I mean
this one?
Yeah. Put too much salt. She knows I don't like salt.
That's the way she cooks. Managing. Nice, right?
Mama.
I love it.
This soup is delicious.
I made it for you. That is sweet 16's cooking.
Beautiful. Mama, you know there's this taste your food comes with.
Oh.
Beautiful. Very tasty. I love it. Thank you.
Enjoy it. Oh. I can eat though. I can eat from it.
Mama. Beautiful. Whoa! Babe, I feel good. Oh! Ooh! I feel good. Can you see it? Listen, your mother is an angel. She cooks so well. Do you know that I haven't had a meal that good in a long, long while? I feel very good.
Pedro, look at how excited you are simply because you ate my mother's food. Do you ever feel this way after eating mine?
Babe, come on, what do you mean?
I don't understand what you mean by that question. I know my food might not taste as good as my mother's, but you shouldn't rub it on my face. You just embarrassed me in front of my mother.
Babe, why are you becoming petty all of a sudden?
Oh, me? Masinachi petty?
Yes. But do you know how many men out there who don't eat their mother-in-law's food? Or food prepared by their mother-in-laws? And I'm eating mine and you're getting upset. You're supposed to be happy.
Pedro, you embarrassed me in front of my mother and this is all you have to say.
What am I supposed to do? Kneel and beg you? I'm not going to do that. I am not going to do that. Listen to me. If this is the reason why you have your face like an old witch, then you can sit down and relax. Nonsense. You should be happy that I ate your mother's food and I'm happy about it.
Pedro! God, what is wrong with my husband? This is my bedroom.
My brother, it was a crazy experience. That was how Chief put me in jail for 2 weeks. I was in Chicago jail for 2 freaking weeks, bro. At some point, I thought it was over.
So, this is the kind of person Chief Wonders is involved in shady business.
All that glitters isn't gold, bro.
Exactly.
Wait. Are you telling me that just like this now, you came back empty-handed? Not even a single dollar?
This guy has gone mad. Didn't you hear I said I almost died?
But you're not dead. At least you should have come back with something. Okay, now tell me. If you die, no be dollar go bury you.
Man, this guy, where did we get this guy from? Listen, what's your problem? At least I came back in one piece.
How could you have traveled to the white man's land and not come back with a single dollar? There's no madness like this.
Well, like I said, I came back alive. Yeah.
That is the best.
Just when I thought that for the very first time I would have a rich friend. Guys, we need to step up. Guys, I'm not tired of this poverty. We are almost 40, yet none of us can boast of even a bicycle. It's a shame.
Ken, but we are not hungry. At least we are comfortable.
Thank you very much, Charlie. You need to school this guy. You need to educate him. You need to teach him. Life isn't like that. Okay?
Well, if I were in your shoes, there was no way I would have come back with nothing. I would have made the difference.
At least, I was able to build a house and also buy a car before I lost my job.
That's just a fact.
If I was in your shoes, there is no way I would come back into it. I know myself.
Listen, boys like you, don't worry, I'll tell you what boys like you do.
I guess you're not deaf. You have him very well.
Food is ready. Should I serve it?
I think let's all eat here.
Yeah, sure.
Is that okay? You can just bring it here. Thank you.
Okay. Excuse me.
So, when are we embarking on the trip?
Yes.
You can say that again. Trust me. You guys are not human beings. See who is talking. No, seriously, you guys are not human beings. Wait. Ken.
What is it?
Ken, how many times did I call you? Charlie, listen to what I have to say.
Okay.
Ken, I saw you. I literally saw you with my 2 naked eyes, staring at my mother-in-law. Do you by any chance think she's still a young girl? A slay queen? Sweet 16? Huh?
But man, Pedro, that woman is too pretty. Man, no woman has the right to look that beautiful. At her age, she hasn't aged a bit. Ever since I knew her, she has been like this. Let's even say the truth, she's even younger than your wife. Huh? Yeah, she looks better than your wife.
Ken!
Who doesn't know that?
Ken! If my wife hears you, if my wife hears what you just said, better start digging your grave. Oh.
But that is the truth. What truth?
Down here!
Charlie, I jokingly mentioned it to my wife. She almost chased me out of the house. She almost killed me. Come to think of it. Yeah.
But of a truth, that woman is sweet. Her food tastes just like her.
Oh yeah. Charlie.
Pedro?
Ken, did you hear that? Charlie.
I'm with you.
Hey! Wait. Have you tasted our mother-in-law before?
Hey! But see, bro. See, since I was born, I swear to God, that woman's food is the best I've ever had.
The best in the entire world.
You can say that again.
Guys, hold on. Listen. Wait until you taste her fisherman soup.
Fisherman soup?
Yeah? Her fisherman soup. You pack out of your house and start living with us.
In that case, whenever she prepares a guy, I will show.
No, I'm not inviting you.
You need to invite me.
I don't
Your house is my house.
No, I don't trust you.
At least you can invite me. She's not my mother-in-law.
I don't trust you.
At least I'm different.
So my dear, it's terrible. My husband told me the same thing.
But how can Chief Wonders be such a chameleon? You see that man? God will punish him. God will punish him for what he did to our husbands. God will punish him.
Amen. Over and over. God will punish him.
Amen. He's a terrible man.
See, also, where is Mama? Is she sleeping?
I was about to ask you to.
Apparently, Mama is our new chef.
What?
Yeah, she went to the market to get some food stuff.
How?
Okay, since my husband came back, Mama has been the one cooking our meals. My husband said Mama's meals tastes better than mine. So she's been the one cooking all the meals.
I don't understand. Are you joking or what?
I wish I am joking.
So what are you doing about it?
What would you rather have me do about it? No, tell me. Chase my husband out of the house or fight with Mama as if she's my co-wife?
No.
I'm handicapped.
Sister, no. Something should be done about this. I don't understand. How can Mama be struggling with you in your own husband's house? Who does that?
Mama.
You see? This is why it seems like I'm always attacking Mama. You see? Maybe your husband is the net target.
God forbid. My husband.
You're saying God forbid. Okay. That's it.
So what's funny?
Everything is funny, girl.
Everything like what?
Everything is funny. It's very bad that you people are not seeing from my own perspective here. But very soon, you'll see. Very soon.
It's interesting. It's terrible, guys. Terrible, confusing, draining.
Mama.
I won't allow you to slap my own husband in my own house. It won't happen.
So what will you do if I do?
If I slap your husband before your presence in your own house, what will you do? Ma, you and I know that you cannot try it. Not in my house.
Then take me to your husband's experiment. Geraldine, I can see you have gone forward.
You have gone bananas. I will remove that madness from your head.
Mama,
stupid.
Mama, we've had enough from you. Okay? Just go and apologize to Ma and the husband. That's all.
I will not do it. You will not do it? And who is Pedro to call me nonsense? Is he up to the caliber of men I have dealt with? Is he up to their foot match? The footwear they wear? Is he up to that? I've dealt with men of different calibers. Old, young, blue, black, all of them. Is he up to any one of them? Mama, I don't understand. Can you imagine what is coming out from your mouth? A mother at that. Mama. Really? Stupid.